Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google AdSense, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Google AdSense, start by visiting the official AdSense website. Once there, click on the Sign Up Now button. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. After signing in, you'll be directed to the AdSense registration form. Fill in the requested information such as your website URL. Make sure the URL belongs to the site where you want to display ads. Next, select your country or territory. This information is important as it may affect payment methods and options. Agree to the AdSense program policies by checking the corresponding box. Click on Create Account to proceed. You will now be asked to provide your payment address. This includes your name, street address, city, and postal code. Fill in all necessary details accurately. After this, click Submit to complete your application. Now, you will need to verify your account. Google will provide you with a code to place in the HTML of your website. Follow the instructions to access your site's HTML editor. Insert the code in the appropriate section as directed. Once the code is placed, go back to your AdSense account. Click on the I've added the code button to notify Google. Your application will then be reviewed by Google. This review process may take a few days. You will receive an email notification once your application is approved or denied. If approved, you can start creating ad units. Follow the instructions in your AdSense account to generate ad code. Now, place the ad code on your website where you want ads to appear. After placement, it may take some time for ads to start showing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.